Brian M. inspired, home-crafted Pasilla Chilaquiles Supreme ingredients. For the Pasilla sauce, 3 dried Pasilla chilies, stemmed and seeded 2 medium tomatoes, roasted 2 garlic cloves, a quarter small white onion, 1 cup chicken broth, or vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt to taste for the chilaquiles. 6 corn tortillas, cut into wedges and fried, or use quality tortilla chips. A half cup crumbled queso fresco, a quarter cup Mexican crema, a quarter cup diced white onion, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro, 2 eggs, fried or scrambled, optional for topping.